All right. Hello. I hope you're ready to work out. I was just giving some instructions on the new cardio moves and I'm breathless and I've done like 3 of them. Okay, you will need a block or a book and 3 pairs of weights for this workout. A heavy set, a medium set, and a light set. If you only have 2 sets of weights, you can do a heavy, light, heavy, because we're doing 3 sets. Or you can do light, heavy, heavy, or you can do light, heavy, light. Any mix up. If you only have 1 set of weights, that's okay too. Just use that 1 set throughout the 3 sets that we're going to do. We're using this block to raise our foot. Okay, so make sure you want to stand on it. I think yoga block might be a little too thick for me, so I have got my handy dandy geometry book. Kathy, you remember? Remember you carried this for me? Thank you. All right. We have 10 exercises for strength and then a 5-minute nonstop cardio. 10 exercises, 5 minutes, 10 exercises, 5 minutes, and then you go home. I like saying that because you're home already. Okay, let's go. Stand it up, please. Pick something like high interval training. So we want to do some back-to-back work here, and I just want you to start marching it out for me. All right? I want you to just start thinking about loosening everything up for me. Yeah? Okay. All right. Shake those hands out. Shake those feet out. Nice job. All right, roll those shoulders back and up. Lift the chest, suck the belly in. Give me a nice big inhale. Look at your hands when they clasp. Exhale. All right, get some mobility in that neck. Big inhale again. Look at your hands when they touch. So tilt that head as far back as you can. Big inhale. Look at your hands and then release. Now give me a 90-degree bend, runner's arms. All right, that will help. So we're going to start focusing on driving the shoulder girdle so we can drive the hip girdle. Crucial to running. Yeah? All right. Nice job. Start waking it up for me. So you're thinking about that shoulder girdle and that hip girdle, that connection. Let's go. That's it. Come on. Now take your focus to your feet. I want you to lift those feet off the ground. Excellent. Come on. Wake it up. That's it. Beautiful Tuesday morning. It's kind of overcast where I am, but it's at least not pouring with rain like it has been. All right. March it out. March it out. Nice and steady for me. Beautiful. Good. All right. We're going to nice big inhale. Keep the hands up over the head. Lift the shoulders up into the ears. Hold them there. And then release those shoulders down. Give some space between the ear and the shoulder. Keep reaching with those hands. Right hand comes down. Give me a nice side stretch. Keep moving those feet ever so slightly. Beautiful. Reach back up. Lift those shoulders to the ears. Drop the shoulders. Give me some space. Left hand down. Give me a nice side stretch on the other side. Beautiful. Lift it up. And shake it out. All right. Come into like a mini jog, a skip. You want something a little bit faster than the march that you were just doing. Nice and steady. Just a little bit faster for me. Want to amp it up so you start to sweat. There we go. Come on. We're about halfway through. Keep going. Nice and steady here. Get some movement. Let's go. Think about those knees as well. Can you go a little bit faster for me? 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful job. Open those legs wide. Turn those toes out ever so slightly. Give me a release of the hips. Other direction. Beautiful. Give me a few chain breakers. Everything at shoulder height. Good. Up over the head. Just a few of them. Good. Good. Shake those hands out for me. Hamstring, dynamic stretch. In and out of that stretch. Other side, hamstring dynamic stretch. You want to push that butt back, push that chest forward. That's really going to pull on that hamstring. All right, beautiful. Give me a nice quad stretch, just a second hold. Try and line up those knees for me, please. If you want to do both hands, that's also okay. One more. Switch to the other side. Try and pull that heel to the butt. One more. Good. Alternating, stepping back into that calf. Oh, beautiful. All right. Set 1, 20 reps. Set 2, 15. Set 3, 10. All right. Those are the numbers we're aiming for. Okay, shake it out for me, please. That's it. Now feel the body. Where do you feel like you need some release? I kind of need some in my lower back. So I'm just going to round and release my lower back. Remember, don't hold anything. Just keep moving. Kind of feel out where you feel you need to stretch. Maybe you feel like it's in your shoulder. Yeah, upper trap. Feel it out. Now's your chance. All right. The first set is the easiest set. Pick up your light weights for me, please. That's it. Get that block and book ready. A variation of the sissy squat. You're going to just put your heels on the block. You want your legs to be hip width apart. Raise those heels. Very intense on the quad and the knee. So if you have knee issues, don't go so deep. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pump out 20 for me. Your heels are raised. So you want to go as deep as you can. Keeping the knees in front of you and not opening out to the side. All right, that's 10. We have 10 more to go. We're aiming for 20 this round. 10, 9, chest up. 8, that's it. 7, 6, beautiful. 5, you got this. 4, can you go a little deeper? Make the most of it. Don't wobble in the knee. Give me one more. Beautiful. Step off that block, that book. All right, I'm going to turn to the side. We're going to do hammer circles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at my elbows. 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 10, 9, 8. Circles. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. All right, squat position. Take that right leg back. Lift the heel. Notice how I've turned that hip out. Lift that back heel. Open stance squat. Let's go. 3, 2. So your leg is behind you, not in front. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Whew, don't fall over. Make sure that back heel is off the ground. As deep as you can. That's 10, 10 to go. 10, come on. 9, 8, back heel off the ground, high. 7, 6, we're not doing a lunge, it's a split squat. 5, 4, 3, we'll talk about that next time. 2, give me one more. Good job, stand tall. Both feet on the ground. Now, we're doing a front raise, but it's a Y. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Stop at the shoulder. Why? Because I said so. 10 more. It's a Y. Take it out to the side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do open squat stance on the other side, but we had a little trouble there. Take a look. I set up my squat, set up your squat. My left leg, have I been doing it backwards? Do you see how I'm not in a lunge position? This is lunge. This is squat. Do you see how the knee is out? My heel is up. It's not directly behind me either. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Back heel up. Deep as you can. That's 10. 10 to go. 10. Come on. 9. You got this. 8. Come on, push. 7. Push into that front leg. 6. 5. Whew. 4. High heel in the back. 3. 2. Give me one more. Excellent job. All right. Weights at the shoulder. We're going I, V. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I, V. I, V. Straight up at an angle. All right, this is 10. We have 10 to go. Stand tall for me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2. All the way down and up. And one more. I, V. Beautiful. All right, get that block ready. Take one leg back. All right. Split stance, raised heel lunge. 3, 2, 1. That's 10. 10 to go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5. Know which leg you have back. 4, 3, 2. Give me one more. 1. Weights touching. They stay touching the entire time. Front raised overhead. All the way up, all the way down. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. Keep them touching. 9, 10. 10 to go. 10, 9 to straight overhead. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take that other leg back on the block. Lunge. Raised heel. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Take it as deep as you can. 10 to go. 10, 9, 8, come on, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set it up like a squat. You're gonna bend your knees, lean forward. Elbows high, tricep kickback. Suck the belly in. That's 10, 10 to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, flatten the back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get rid of it. Get the block out of the way. Come on. Let's go. High knee. 30 seconds. Come on. You got a break after this. This is how we finish the round. Okay, back it up for me. Back it up for me. Keep your high knee. Run sweep. Make sure you're touching the ground. Both hands. See which hand you favor. 30 seconds. Come on. Jack twist. Thirty seconds. Side, touch. So it's a skater with the touch. 30 seconds. Come on. Let's go. Kick your butt. Halfway through, we do it again. What are you waiting on? Come on. This is our 2.5 minute mark. Legs come up, behind, it's not front. This is a kick your butt. High knee. Come on. 2.5 to go. Push. Back it up. Back it up. Keep with the high knee. Don't stop. Run sweep. 30 seconds. Both fingertips need to touch the ground. You don't have to run, you can march. You can walk. Come on. Just 30 seconds here. Jack twist. Skate it with the touch. Fingertips have to touch the ground. That's the aim here. Come on. "30 seconds only. We're nearly done. Kick your butt. Last 30 seconds. Get a rest after this. Come on. Come on. Steady. So I want the coming back. No. No. This is a variation of high knee. Watch. Back. Yeah. Rest. 1 minute. So why do we keep falling into this? Because it's really natural to do this. Yeah? You do this move a lot. And that is why we focus on doing a slightly different move in a different plane to wake up the body. Why drink? Don't sit. Make sure you stay standing. All right, that's round 1. Nearly the same exact thing for round 2. Except you're gonna say hasta la vista to the lightweight, and you're gonna get your medium weight. Let's set it up now, please. Get your block. We're starting with raised heel squat. Come on, let's go. Put your heels up on the book or the block. Weights to the side of the body. Legs are hip width apart. It's quite narrow. Gonna go as deep as you can. 3, 2, 1. We have 15. Go as deep as you can without the wobble in the knee. So to prevent wobble, don't go as deep. We'll squeeze the glutes. So 9, come on. 8, 7, 6, come with me, come on. 5, head up, chin up. Do not put your head down. 4, head up, chin up. 3, look at my chin. 2, even when I go down. 1, get off the block. Hammer circles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 to go. 5, 4, circles. 3, 2, 1. Get the block out of the way. Set up in a squat. Right leg back. Hip open. Heel up. Weight in front. 3, 2, 1. Look at my chin. You got this. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Stand nice and straight. Front raise, but with a Y. 3, 2, 1. No wiping. Come on. Five to go. One more. Set up squat. Take your left leg back. Open it out. Heel up. Weight in the center. 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the foot back. Set it up. I to V. 3, 2, 1. Five to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set up your block. Right leg back. Lunge. Back heel raised. Back foot raised. 3, 2, 1. Five more. 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Set it up. Weights touching. Front to overhead. Let's go. Five more. Come on. 2 more. 1 more. Left heel on the block. Let's go. And come on, guys. Taking too long to set up. Head up, chin up. 5 to go. And squat, bend, elbows, tricep. 5 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get rid of the weights. 5 minutes of cardio. High knee. No rest until after. Come on. Come on. Just 30 seconds here. Back it up. Run sweep. Are you touching the ground? Sweep with the hands. Just 30 seconds. Jack twist. Skate it with a touch. Try and touch each side. Gotta touch the ground here. That's the real work. Kick your butt. Catch your breath. Halfway. Come on. Yeah. Bring it up behind. Ooh. I'm tired too. One more time. 30 seconds each. High knee. Change the plane. Don't stop. Come on. Gonna get a break in 2.5 minutes. That's a commercial. Are you worth 2.5 minutes? You keep telling yourself, no, I'm not worth it. That's what this says. Yeah? But you can. Just keep moving. Yeah? Back it up. Yes, you are. I know it's a Tuesday morning. I know. Whatever's going on in your life, I know. Run, sweep. FYI, there will never be a day where you don't have something to worry about. Compartmentalize. You know what? You don't need to worry about it right now. Just stay focused on movement. Are you touching the ground? Are you sweeping those hands? Jack twist. Make sure you're twisting to both sides. Are you twisting from the waist? Okay, skate it with the touch. Nearly there. So it's a side step with a touch of the ground. The aim is to touch the ground. Yeah? That's going to give you the cardio effect. Last thing, 30 seconds. Kick your butt. Come on. Come on. I see you. That's it, Doris. That's it, Hazel. Come on, Ain. That's it. White breast. One more round. Get something to drink. Set up your block. Get rid of the towel. Say bye-bye to medium. Hello. Heavy. Let's go. Heels up. Knees go straight ahead. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Get off the block. Hammer circles. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Set up your squat. Right leg back, heel up. Weight in the center. 3, 2, 1. Set up your stance. Wide front. 3, 2, 1. Squat. Left leg back. Weight in the center. 3, 2, 1. Set up your stance. I to V. Three, 2, 1. Split. Right leg back. Let's go. One more. My weights are slipping from my hands. Set them up so they're touching. Let's go. Three more. Split stance. Let's go. One more. Set it up. Triceps. Get rid of the weight. Get rid of the block. High knee. Last cardio. Come on. I was thinking about the name for this, and I was thinking Punisher. And I think that's right. Except flies were dropping today. So I'm going to call it Fly Drop. Because I have never seen more people leave one of my classes. Your hair, you made it. Back it up. Run sweep. Four and a half minutes to go. Come on. Your hair. Make sure you're sweeping that ground. Good. Jack twist. Are you twisting? Skate it with the touch. Remember, the aim is to go up and down, touch the ground, so you know you're going down enough. Trust me, it'll come up enough. You don't have to hop, skip, or jump here. Side step is fine. Catch your breath, kick your butt. I'm thinking, fly drop isn't such a good name. Dropping like flies. Now that's a good name. Come on, heels up in the back. We have 2.5 minutes. Knees up. Up front. Breathe. I know it's not easy. I know. Come on. Come on. Back it up for me. Run sweep. Oh dear. Last run sweep. Last time through the circuit, we're done. Come on. Forward and back. Make sure you're moving. Make sure you're touching the ground. Jack twist. I don't know about you, but I find this one the most awkward. We want to do things that are awkward so we don't use so much momentum. All right, skate it with a touch. Less than a minute to go. Come on, you made it this far. Stay with this last minute. Trust me, I want to stop too. Kick your butt. 30 seconds. Whew. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're done. Drop in like flies. Oh. Stay here for me, please. Walk it out. We're going to stretch it out. I beg you, please, sign in 10 to 5 minutes before 8. It is an 8 o'clock start class, okay? But I'm not starting at 8, and it's because you're coming late, okay? 5-10 minutes, give yourself the time to set up, to prep, to talk to the people in the class. Believe you me, the more you talk to the people in this class, the more you'll show up to this class. Hands down. By the way, the people who stay, come early, stay after and chat, I can count on my hands how many days they've missed, okay? Why? Because there's such a thing as community, okay? So flying in at 8:06, yeah, is not going to help you. It's 1 hour. Take it. Yeah, take it. Use it. All right, I beg you. That way we can start on time, and I can give you some abs. You know, I wasn't going to give you abs anyway, to be honest. This was it. This is the whole workout. All right, let's do some static stretches. We're going to do it standing up. Legs hip width apart or wider, however you feel comfortable, and then just release those hips for me, please. And let's go to the other direction. Really feel through. I like to imagine that I'm inside of a barrel and there's honey in the barrel and I'm scraping it with my hips. I know that sounds kind of sexual, but it's not. It's just an image that helps me push the hip out. Good. Big inhale. Bring the feet together. Exhale. Make sure you're putting weight on both legs. Big inhale and exhale. Big inhale. Clasp the hands, palms to the ceiling. Look at me. Make sure your thumbs are pointing straight to me. Excellent. Bring those hands to shoulder height. And now I want you to tuck the chin around the back. As you release the hands, push the chest forward. Clasp the hands behind you, pull down. Lift the chest up. Good. Now lift those hands as high as you can. Shoulder blades together. This is a huge chest. Very good for the shoulder. And release. Good. Shake it out for me, please. All right. All your weight on your right leg for me. Grab your left leg. Quad stretch. Find your balance. When you're ready, take both hands back. You're going to bend the standing leg and pull that leg back. You're going to tilt forward when you do that. Good. Push through the hip flexor and release. Bring that foot all the way up into the chest. Rotate the ankle. Other direction. Nice job. Okay, I don't have enough room, but you should. Hip flexor. Sorry. Hamstring. Grab the foot. Good. You're going to take those hands to the ground. Take that leg all the way back. Full runner's lunge. So you're not on the knee, okay? Just your feet are on the ground and your palms of your hands. Good. All right, deep breath in. And on the exhale, you're going to bring that leg up to meet the other leg. Hands on the ground, so you're going to go into a forward fold. When you're ready. Hold it here. String the legs as much as you can, keeping your hands on the ground. Nod yes. Nod no. Bend your knees, roll it up. Take your time. All your weight onto your left leg. Grab your right. When you're ready, take it with both hands. Yeah. Bend that standing leg, pull that leg back. Release and bring that knee all the way into the chest. Rotate that ankle. Other direction. You see I'm wobbly? That's okay. Hamstring. When you're ready, pull down. Head up, chin up, back flat. All right, you're going to drop that chin, drop those hands to the ground. You're going to take that right leg all the way back. Full runner's lunge. Half runner's lunge is when we drop that back knee to the ground, okay? If you feel like you need to be there, that's fine. Okay, we're going to do that forward fold whenever you're ready. You want to keep your palms of your hand on the ground, your legs as straight as you can handle. You want to drop the top of your head down. Nod yes. Nod no. Bend your knees, roll yourself up. Give yourself a big inhale and exhale. Big inhale and exhale. Big inhale, clasp the hands. Down to the heart of the matter. Thank you so much for working out with me. Dropping like flies, people. Let me stop that video before you say anything to me. I hope that kicked your butt. It did mine. Those heavy weights were like, ow, on the upper body for me. It's just about waking it up. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a fabulous day.
Thank you so much.